Hello and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Olivier Pierre, one of the four founders of Immersive Factory. Immersive Factory, since its creation in 2016, has been working to develop innovative training courses with the aim of reducing accidents in a workspace. To do this, we mainly use virtual reality. Virtual reality headsets have become indeed accessible, easy to use, powerful, and affordable. We have thus developed a whole catalog of virtual reality workshops that enable learners to work safely in realistic environments. Immersion is very high, as we are in 360. Learners will find themselves in an environment they know and are used to working in. And within this environment, they will be able to progress. They will thus face in complete safety hazardous situations such as work at heights, work in confined spaces, falls from ground level, lockout, tagout operations, crossings between vehicles and pedestrians. These are the types of accidents that unfortunately occur frequently. We work in all sectors, of course in construction space, with customers like Colas, Vinci, SPI, Eiffage, Arovia, or Razelbeck. We work with both large and small companies. We market our workshops not only in France, but also internationally, as most of them have been translated into 10 or sometimes even 15 languages. Our workshops are used, for example, to raise employee awareness during safety days, safety shifts, talks, or to just illustrate dangerous situations during standard EHS training courses. Thanks to virtual reality, employees learn from their mistakes, and because they are actively involved in their training, they are better able to memorize procedures and instructions. This active pedagogy will also help to modify and improve their behaviors. Our training courses and workshops help put risk into context and raise awareness of the importance of shared vigilance to avoid major risk. Thank you very much, and I'll be very happy to talk to you in more details about what we do. Have a great day.